Condenser microphones are also called capacitor microphones. So what is a capacitor? It is basically two metal plates in close proximity that are electrically charged. The closer the plates, the higher the capacitance. These plates are continually charged using the phantom power or batteries. One of the plates is thin and flexible and therefore is called diaphragm. When the sound waves hit the diaphragm, it causes it to vibrate. These vibrations are then translated into variation of the output voltage. The variation in the output voltage is analog signal. Then the analog signal is converted into digital, and its conversion accuracy is dependent on the sampling rate and bit depth. Because the diaphragm can be really thin and flexible, it can more accurately capture the original sound waves. As a consequence, it has a higher frequency range, best transient response, higher sensitivity, lower noise, more detailed and superior sound quality compared to a dynamic microphone. Condenser microphones are best for studios for recording vocals and acoustic instruments. On the other hand, it should be avoided when working with high sound pressures such as that produced by electric guitar and kick drums. I personally use condenser microphone for recording tutorials for YouTube. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.